Are you thinking of buying the new Adidas YEEZY Desert Boot Salt, which is set to drop, well, this Saturday or this weekend? Make sure that you watch this video. Why? Because I have the pair here in my hand, and I'm going to give you guys everything you need to know about this shoe. Let's go! But before anything else, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have a bunch of ongoing giveaways ranging from amazing gadgets such as JBL True Wireless earphones, Xiaomi power banks, Xiaomi headphones, sneakers, all that good stuff. Subscribe, follow me on IG, join our Facebook community, and then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck! This is the YEEZY Desert Boot Salt. And in a sentence, it's basically a hype sneaker boot for the Burmans here in the Philippines. Now in the US and in other parts of the world, it's supposed to be a sneaker for the fall. But I'm not sure, since we have a fall, let's just call it the perfect like Burman sneaker. Now here are the things that you need to know about this shoe. First up, it is a hype sneaker because it is made and designed, of course, by Kanye West and Adidas. It's easily recognizable as a YEEZY boot, mainly because of the colorway, which is salt. This is the YEEZY Desert Boot Salt. This is the YEEZY 700 V1 Salt. As you can see, the colors are very similar. The materials are very similar as well. Apart from that, the upper reminds me a lot of the YEEZY 500. This is the YEEZY 500 Bone White. And as you guys can see, a lot of the upper materials are very close to one another. You have the suede pods. You have the suede edge over here. You have that perforated mesh along the sides of the shoe. The only thing different really is on the tongue tab on this one. It looks like an alien ship, while this one, the tongue tab is more normal. It just has like a pull tab, which is actually very important because this tongue is actually connected to elastic bands. So it's actually a bit hard to put in. So if you are buying this, I would actually recommend that you consider going a half size up at least, because this one is, for me, is a little bit too snug and too tight at true to size. Number 2, the YEEZY Desert Boot Salt has amazing materials for a boot. Like what I mentioned earlier, it is YEEZY, it is Kanye, so you have that really nice suede along the edges. You have leather patches along the shoe on the lateral and the medial side. You have that mesh, which is breathable and comfortable, and you have that ridiculously chunky hiking boot midsole. However, please do take note that while it is like a sneaker boot and it is marketed, well, I guess for the fall, I don't think that it's the best sneaker to wear right now here in the Philippines. Why? Because we are in our rainy season. So unless you want to tough it out and risk that suede getting destroyed, or unless you're going to, you know, pepper it with Crep Protect and other water resistant sprays regularly, this shoe will just get wrecked if you wear it today, especially now that we are in the rainy season. But maybe once we hit October, where it is not raining as bad and it's more cold than it is wet, this might be a really good shoe to rock. But as of today, with the rain coming in and out unpredictably, this might be a risky wear. And lastly, this is a relatively comfortable and lightweight sneaker to wear compared to other boots, because most boots are heavy, clunky, and kind of hot. This one, because of the perforations along the sides, because of the overall build, because of the lightness, is actually pretty comfortable. I was able to put it on feet already, and I was really amazed with how good it felt despite it being a boot. Most boots that I've worn, especially like the Doc Martens and the Converse like collabs that I've had in the past, weren't really as comfortable as this one. So I really have to give thumbs up to Kanye and Adidas for pulling off a relatively comfortable sneaker boot. Doesn't have boost, by the way, guys. If you are wondering, if you are curious, this is just a foam midsole, nothing too special, but they were able to still make it relatively lightweight and, well, good on feet. Now, I was able to pick this one up early because of our partnership with Soul Academy. If you guys are looking for amazing sneakers, lifestyle sneakers, such as, well, this one, make sure that you check out their shop. They have an amazing selection of shoes and apparel as well. They are located, one of their flagship stores that I love to go to is their branch over at BGC. It's currently under renovation, but they did tell me that once it reopens in November, it will be like like their pinnacle store. It'll be their flagship store. Best releases, best sneakers, best customer experience come November. But till then, they actually have a pop-up store just in the middle of Hobbs Lands, I think, and Time Zone. So if you guys are into BGC a lot, make sure to look for them in that pop-up store and not in the old location which they had previously, because they really have good sneakers there. So again, this one, I have it early because of our partnership with them. Shout out to Soul Academy, really good, awesome folks to work with. So what do you guys think of the Yeezy Desert Boot Salt? Please do let me know your thoughts, your opinion, your comments down below in the comment section. Do you think that a sneaker boot like this will fly in the Philippines? Yes or no, and why? Comment down below, guys. Let's have a great conversation going on about this shoe. Now, I did mention earlier that that Soul Academy has a pop-up store right now, and they actually have a pretty good selection. So at this part of the vlog, I just want to run down some of the shoes that you guys might find interesting if ever you're keen on dropping by their pop-up shop. So let's kick things off with the new POD 3.1. This is the Adidas POD. I didn't like the first generation. It was really uncomfortable. I didn't love the transition between the boost and the foam. Wasn't a fan, and you can see that in my earlier review. However, the new 3.2, while I tried it on feet, was pretty good. I kind of liked it. So they have new colorways of it. The first one, I think, that came out was a red and some sort of like typical camo. Now you have some sort of like darker and lighter colorways. So there are now 4 colorways of the Adidas Yeezy Adidas POD 3.2. They also have the new Commanda County. So it's like the Commanda silhouette, but a little bit narrower, and the upper is white with classic 3 stripes in black. A really clean shoe, really nice looking sneaker. We also saw new colorways of the Young 1 and the Young 96, one with the white and orange thing going on, another one with the black and vault vibe going on. Oh, and please take note that there are a bunch of sneakers at Soul Academy that are at 30% off. This includes older colorways of the Young 1 and the Young 96. And there are a lot of sneakers for the ladies that are 30% off, which includes several colorways of the Night Jogger and several colorways of the Falcon. So if you are looking to shop, now is actually one of the best times to do so, because a lot of the sneakers are actually on sale right now. 30% off, guys. That's not a small amount. So now is really the best time to buy new kicks. Now, on the more rarer side from Adidas, they also still have the Adidas Ultra Boost Rainy Days. So this one is inspired by, I think, like the weather tracking map or something. And I did do like a feature on this already in the past few, I think last week. So I will put a link to that feature down below. If you guys haven't watched it yet, check it out. It's actually in a raw vlog format, so I think you guys will love that type of vlog. Next up, for other brands, we have the Converse Denim Renew. So I think this is like made out of renewable materials, recyclable materials. Not too sure, but it is your typical classic Converse silhouettes with a denim build. We also have the new Balance Electron. The one that caught my attention, of course, and I've been eyeing this sneaker for the longest time now, is the new Balance X Racer in that Iron Man colorway with hits of red, yellow, and orange. It also sells for less than 5,000. And speaking of red, we have the React Presto Hot Lava from Nike. I don't know what's the proper pronunciation. What do you guys think? Is it Nike? Is it Nike? Comment down below. But anyway, so the Presto React and the Hot Lava colorway, that bold red and yellow and white, man, a really amazing, neck-breaking, head-turning sneaker sitting over at the Soul Academy pop-up store. We also had the Air Force 1 Premium. I actually pulled the trigger on that one, so watch out for the review of that sneaker in the coming days ahead. Really excited to share my thoughts on that shoe with you guys. And lastly, we have the Puma Chinatown collaboration with the part on the sides actually in Velcro, so you can swap it out with different colors. So those are just some of the sneakers that you can find over at the Soul Academy pop-up. So in short, if you guys are fans of sneakers and you know of Soul Academy and you are in BGC frequently, just don't wonder why the shop is closed for innovation, and don't think that you can't buy from them anymore, because they have a pop-up store just a few steps away. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our vlog for today. Again, this is the Yeezy Desert Boot Salt, an early unboxing, an early look, an early review for you all. I almost forgot to show you, this is what the box looks like. So it is your typical brown Yeezy box. It says Desert Boot at the top, and then you have the details of the shoe here along the side. This one again, guys, 12,000 pesos. Check out Soul Academy on their Instagram account for the details of the shoe. That's it for now. I hope you guys all have an amazing weekend. Please do watch out for our amazing 1 million mystery box unboxing this weekend. I will be setting it on premiere for Saturday 1 p.m. Saturday 1 p.m. So make sure that you guys watch that. It will be amazing. I have guests over: Alodia, Leia, Jamie, Mary Bautista. It will be one heck of a crazy unboxing. 1 million pesos mystery box, which we custom ordered from Poundit. Please do take note that everything that you guys see there, anything that we make money from that particular video, will be given to a charity of a feeding program here in the Philippines. I'll also do a vlog on that one when it happens. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.